I wake up each morning and I stumble out of bed. I look over at her sleeping and wonder what's going through her head. I go and grab some coffee and then I come back to see, will she be my pain today or will she be my queen? When she's a pain, she's a pain. She's like a bad migraine. When she's a queen, she's a queen. Like the woman of my dreams. Yes, she's a pain, she's a pain. She's a queen, she's a queen. She's never in between. She's just my pain or my queen. Home this evening, wondering which one will it be. Will she meet me at the door with a big old glass of tea? Or is she standing in the drive starting to cuss at me? Yeah, will she be my pain today or will she be my queen? When she's a pain, she's a pain. She's like a bad migraine. When she's a queen, she's a queen. Like a woman of my dreams. Yes, she's a pain, she's a pain. She's a queen, she's never in between. She's just my pain or my queen. She's on her way from the beauty shop. She'll be here in a little while. I hope they got that color right. I know it'll make her smile. But if it's just a shade too light, well, it's a pity on me.